Hey subbies! Before we get started on today's video, I would love it if you would follow me on my social media. I will have it linked here on the screen, my Instagram and my Twitter. My Instagram is Comedy Creation and my Twitter is Comedy Addict. And I would really love it if you guys would hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications. You'll be notified every time I upload. Let's get into the video. Hey subbies! I'm here to tell you about some wonderful cameras that you can use for filming your YouTube videos. Before I get started though, I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of this awesome content. It is very important to have a nice camera when filming, but that does not mean that your camera needs to be expensive. You can use the built-in webcam that can be found on laptops and even on some desktop computers. Makes for a wonderful camera to use for recording your YouTube videos, and you can also use your smartphone. I've used my smartphone a couple of times there for filming YouTube videos, and it's absolutely wonderful because even on your smartphone you can also then edit right from your phone, so it's an all-in-one easy process. It makes it super easy, boom boom simple, because we live in a society where simple is absolutely amazing, appreciated, and when stuff's even easily accessible, it makes it that much more fun to use. I have used several iPhone cameras in the past there to film my videos. I have filmed before on an iPhone 4 and I've really enjoyed it. I like how you don't need to have the most expensive camera to be able to film great content. This camera here that I'm recording on is a $25 camera there that I had gotten off of Amazon. Absolutely wonderful camera, does great quality, it's 1080p, and I didn't have to spend a buttload of money on it, which was even more wonderful, that I can still create the wonderful, clear, and vibrant quality that I want in my YouTube videos, but also not have to spend a ton of money to get that great quality. What is your favorite camera or recording device that you use to make YouTube videos? Comment down below, I'd like to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope these tips and tricks have helped you when it comes to filming your YouTube videos as to what camera to use. I really enjoyed filming this, and hopefully this advice can be of a lot of help to you. Give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of this awesome content. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye subbies!